So today we have some information from Royal Caribbean where they sent out an incorrect email for back-to-back cruises, and we're going to get into that right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, so Royal Caribbean did send out an email to some guests that had some wrong information on it when it comes to back-to-back cruises. Basically, the wrong information said you have to pack up all of your luggage, take it with you, disembark the ship, take another COVID-19 test, and then get back on the ship during a certain check-in time. And after quite a bit of backlash, people letting them know that, hey, what's going on with this? Royal Caribbean has sent out a correction. Let's go ahead and jump on over here to the computer and take a quick look at that. Alright, so it says update sailing protocols for back-to-back guests. With our last back-to-back update, we provided the wrong information and apologize for the confusion. We had advised all back-to-back guests that they were required to pack their bags and bring them to the terminal between sailings. This is incorrect. You do not need to pack your bags and bring them to the terminal. Below is the correct back-to-back testing information in bold and some additional details for our consecutive cruisers. Alright, so back-to-back sailing requirements. First is the testing information. Guests who sail on back-to-back cruises must show proof of full vaccination against COVID-19 and are required to take a COVID-19 test producing negative results between each sailing. Now, the test will be administered on board at no expense to the guest. The regular back-to-back process will occur on turnaround day, which means back-to-back guests will disembark, leaving their luggage on board, and check-in for the next cruise will take place. Seems like a little typo there. Be sure to bring your COVID-19 vaccine record card, as well as your passport and any other important documentation needed to board your next sailing. And if you're sailing on consecutive cruises on different ships within 3 days of each other, we will arrange for a complimentary pre-cruise COVID-19 test on the last day of your sailing. Just let guest services on board know a couple of days before you disembark, and they will arrange the complimentary test for you. So again, we are sorry for the confusion caused. Sincerely, Royal Caribbean International. Alright, pretty quick, pretty simple, pretty clean. You can leave everything in your room. They will take care of the testing for you. Just don't forget your vaccine card, your passport, and of course your boarding pass for your next cruise if necessary. You're going to get off, basically get right back on. They've made it a very quick, easy, and simple process. And like I said, with them taking care of the testing for you, it makes it that much easier. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick Royal Caribbean update. If you have, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.